What's happening, Roseville? Today I'm hanging out with our Tech Teens program where these talented students are learning new and innovative technology to advance their future career. But first, several trails around Roseville were recently resurfaced. The first phase of Maidu Regional Park trail resurfacing begins in late July. This means portions of the trail will be temporarily closed to the public for the day. The second phase of work is scheduled for 2020. To improve pedestrian access and meet accessibility standards, we're updating sidewalk curb ramps around Roseville. These upgrades are required by law when streets are resurfaced. Paving work begins this summer. I have with me Chris Hardy, who helps put on Tech Teens. He's going to talk to you a little bit about this really awesome program and why we put it on here at the city.
The program started as technology focused and it's really grown. We've seen the interest of students and parents and the community be that they really wanted to see what it is that we do. So over the last couple days, we've taken students to the electric courtyard training facility. They've gotten to see linemen climb up poles and service equipment that they do on a regular basis. We've gotten to see fire and how they have a fire training facility and what they do to practice for public safety and emergency events. We've seen police and all the tools and tactics that they have, and CSI and SWAT. Really the purpose of why we do this and why we're servicing our community in this way is to get Roseville High School students interested in jobs that maybe they haven't thought of before.
Free electric vehicle charging stations are now available in the Oak Street parking garage as well as the Vernon Street parking garage in downtown Roseville. These free charging stations are provided by Roseville Electric Utility in cooperation with the California Air Resources Board. You may have heard that PG&E is shutting off power to parts of their service area during times of high wildfire risk. These shutoffs will not impact Roseville Electric Utility and our customers. Even though the risk is very low for wildfires here, our electric utility, with assistance from our fire department, has developed a summer preparedness plan to address wildfire risk and ensure we're prepared for any emergency. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on all of our latest video content, make sure you visit us at youtube.com/cityofrosevilleca and subscribe. And of course, sign up for more Roseville news and events at roseville.ca.us/connect.